kindergarten, and welcome to another phonics lesson. Yesterday, we started with our uppercase letters. We learned about A and B yesterday, and today we're going to learn about the uppercase C and uppercase D. We're also going to review our new sight words, do a little finding that middle sound, and then your exit ticket is practicing uppercase C and D. Your teacher might have you go get your dry erase board and marker now or later. Let's start with our uppercase C and D. We've already learned the lowercase c and the lowercase d. We also learned the sounds for these letters. Uppercase letters have the same sound as a lowercase letter. So this is our uppercase C. And in a little bit, we'll learn how to write an uppercase C and an uppercase D. This is an uppercase C. This uppercase C makes the same sound. C, cat, k. C, cat, k. Remember, you'll find uppercase letters in names and important words, and most important, at the beginning of a sentence. That helps you know when it's the beginning of a sentence. This is an uppercase C. This is an uppercase D. An uppercase D still makes the D sound. D, dog, D. D, dog, D. Now we're going to practice writing uppercase C's. We're going to start at the skyline, so get your magic marker out and ready and pick your color. We're going to start at the skyline, slide back on the skyline, and we're going to go down and around past that plane line and stop at the grass line and land on the grass line. Let's do one more. Ready? Slide back on the skyline, down past the plane line, around down to the grass line. Now it's your turn. Your teacher's going to pause the video and you're going to practice the letter C. Now let's practice the letter D. An uppercase D. Is an uppercase D a skyline letter or a plain line letter? You're right. It's a skyline letter. Are you noticing a pattern with our uppercase letters? They all start at the skyline. We're going to start at the skyline. We're going to do a straight line down to the grass line, start back up to the skyline, and we're going to go around past that plane line, down, and then slide across to the grass line. Let's do one more. Start at the skyline, straight line down to the grass line, back up to the skyline, slide around and down on that grass line. Now it's your turn. Your teacher's going to pause the video and you're going to practice uppercase D's. Our new sight words for this week. This is the word said. Repeat after me. Said. S-A-I-D. Said, said, said. I said, do your work. This is the word come. Repeat after me. Come. C-O-M-E. Come, come, come. This is the word we. Repeat after me. We. W-E. We. Find the middle sound. This is a picture of a fin. Fin. Your teacher's going to pause the video and you're going to find the middle sound in fin. Did you say the letter I? You're right. The letter I makes the I sound. We've been using our imaginary rubber band, and there's another way that you can find sounds in a word that we're going to start using, and it's called tapping with your fingers. So we're going to tap out this word. In. In. Each finger I tap down is each sound that I hear in the word. I is my middle sound. In. Fin. Notice how all my fingers are together. That means I've put the word all together. I've blended it together. This is a picture of a rag. A rag. A rag is something that you can use to clean something off. A rag. Your teacher's going to pause the video and you're going to find the middle sound in rag. Let's tap it out. Ag. What was that middle sound you heard? Ah. And we know the letter A makes the ah sound. Ag. Rag. This is a picture of a hat. Hat. Your teacher's going to pause the video and you're going to find the middle sound in hat. Let's tap it out. At. What was that middle sound you heard? At. At. Hat. Today in Seesaw, you're going to continue practicing uppercase C's and uppercase D's, as well as continue to practice those sight words. See you later, Kipsters.